Portuguese pavement is a traditional style pavement used for many pedestrian areas in Portugal. It consists of small flat pieces of various different stones, arranged to form a pattern or picture, like a mosaic. It can also be found in Olivença and throughout old Portuguese colonies, such as Brazil and Macau. Portuguese workers are also hired for the skill in creating these pavements in places such as Gibraltar, being usually used in sidewalks. It is in squares and atriums that this art finds its deepest expression. One of the most distinctive uses of this paving technique is the image of St. Elizabeth of Portugal, in Coimbra, designed with black and white stones of basalt and limestone. Origins. Paving as a craft is believed to have originated in Mesopotamia, where rocky materials were used in the inside and outside of constructions, being later brought to ancient Greece and ancient Rome. The Romans used to pave the vias connecting the empire using materials to be found in the surroundings. Some of the techniques introduced then are still applied on the calcada, most noticeably the use of a foundation and a surfacing. An uncertain future. Very few workers will admit to enjoying this arduous labor, with long hours spent painstakingly laying the stones. Low wages fail to attract apprentices. Paved sidewalks also present hazards to pedestrians. These pavements can be particularly treacherous when they are wet, presenting a glassy, low-grip surface that can contribute to slips and falls. Moreover, the stones are prone to becoming loose, presenting a hazard. This method of paving has a high cost and reduced longevity in comparison with concrete-based bituminous alternatives. Once an activity performed by hundreds of craftsmen in Portuguese cities and villages, traditional paving is increasingly becoming restricted to conservation works or important architectural projects. Less abundant materials, dwindling numbers of craftsmen and criticism to its widespread use of forcing municipalities to consider other alternatives. While São Paulo is currently reforming the sidewalks of its Paulista Avenue, one of the places in the city that has Portuguese pavement, and exchanging it for a more cheap and common type of pavement. In other Brazilian cities such as Rio de Janeiro, it remains popular, nearly ubiquitous in the wealthier areas. Setting the stones. Upon a well-compacted trench of argillaceous materials, craftsmen lay a bedding of gravel, which will accommodate the tessera of stones, acting as a cement. Calcada as a form of art.